Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to go ahead and make changes to the interface of the bot you are using on your website, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started without any delay. For that, you can just head over and open up your project or your website where your bot is located, and if you would like to change the interface, these are the methods you can follow. So go over to the site which you used in order to create your bot for your website, and you can open up that particular bot that you created from your projects under. Once you go over to your projects under here, you will be finding the build design of your AI bot that you used to integrate on your website. So if you want to go ahead and design it, so if you want to do so, here on the top menu you should be finding different options available. You can select this option for design and select it up, and there we go. Here is where we can go over and design our templates and everything. So you can select this option called design templates here, and once you select it up, you can go over and look out for your design. So if you want let's say navy or contrast, you can select this option for navy contrast, and you can see the changes being applied already. If you want galaxy vibes, we even have this option for galaxy vibes. For abstract paint or anything other, you can go over and look out for the one that you would like to apply, and once you're okay with it, you can select this option called apply and apply it up and click on OK, and that will apply the customizations. Similarly, if you want to change up your general background and font, you can select this option right here, and you can select up your font family. So you can select what kind of font you want. For example, I want Lato, so I'm just going to select that, and you can even select your font size and everything. Once you're okay with it, you can select up your background type and everything, like if you want a gradient or image, etc. After that, even video and solid both, you can do so. You can even add up your own custom background image or background image for your mobile application as well. You can just go ahead and do so and set it up and click on apply to save up the changes. Similarly, we have this option for layout. You can select this option for layout, and once you do so, you can type in what kind of logo text and logo image you would like. After that, you can start the conversation for tagline as well, show line separator, top bar, text color, etc. and rows. So go ahead and change it up and click on apply for that as well. Once you do so, you can select this option for chat if you want to change your avatar and everything. Right now we have this. If you want the spot, etc., you can select it up, and even your shape and everything. After that, just go over and click on apply once you're okay with everything, and there we go. And at last, we have this option for custom chat. You can custom code, you can select it up, and you can select this option for adding JS, custom scripts, or even adding CSS. You can just go ahead and do the one that you prefer and click on apply. And once you apply it up, you can just go over and publish up the changes, and you can start building once again by using the new theme that is available for you, and just go over and design up your new bot. And that is how you do it. Once it is confirmed, you can just go over and publish it, and that's it. That is how you go over and make changes to the interface of your reply AI bot that you integrate onto your website. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.